Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on Bmw X3 with key. Place the key fob inside the vehicle, insert the key in the ignition slot, or press the start button while holding the fob inside and depressing the brake. Check that the gear is in park or neutral and that the dashboard lights illuminate. If the car does not start, try the mechanical key or move the fob closer to the start area for a reliable connection. First, unlock the X3 with the fob or mechanical key, then sit and ensure the gear is in park. Keep a firm foot on the brake pedal as you either turn the ignition key or press the start button. If using the mechanical key, insert and turn smoothly. For push start, hold the fob inside the cabin near the console. Wait for the dashboard lights to settle and the engine tone to confirm a successful start. If the X3 won't start, try the mechanical key or move the fob close to the start button area to bypass low battery detection. Check for warning lights and listen for the fuel pump priming sound once ignition engages. Reset accessories by cycling the ignition off and on if electronics behave oddly. Always ensure you have the handbrake engaged when troubleshooting, and consult a dealer if persistent faults appear or if the vehicle emits unusual noises during start attempts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.